This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start with safety and power. Unplug the TV, wait about 30 seconds, then plug directly into a known good outlet. This removes residual charge and rules out a tripped surge protector. Check the cord and jack visually. Damaged insulation or bent pins often stop power flow. Once done, press the TV power button, not only the remote, to confirm behavior. If a smart plug or power strip was in use, make sure it's on and functioning, because many failures are simply lost mains power. Next, move into resets and signal isolation. You'll attempt a soft reset by using the TV's menu or holding the physical power button for 10 seconds to clear minor firmware faults. Then remove all HDMI, USB, and antenna cables. Sometimes an attached device stops startup. While powering back up, listen for relays clicking, fans spinning, or LED blink patterns. Those give diagnostic clues and help you decide whether the issue is firmware, input-related, or power supply-related. To finish, attempt a full factory reset through settings or the service menu. Make sure you've backed up network credentials because this wipes them. If you're skilled and the unit is out of warranty, power off and open the back to inspect boards. Look for swollen capacitors, burnt resistors, or loose connectors and receipt ribbon cables. If nothing revives the set, write down any LED blink code or symptom details and contact the manufacturer or a qualified technician. This info speeds repair and prevents wasted troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.